magnetic conductor and PLC communications. So we testing at first PLC work, how to work PLC. Let's go. We are checking it, and I teach you some spare parts about. Okay, so this is PLC. We know that this PLC work smoothly if you programming this side. Okay. Now I checking it. Here all pins. So we know input and output of PLC. So today at first checking it, and we know that what is the PLC and how to work PLC. So let's PLC work. Properly PLC work or not. So let's go. We are checking the all process. So they are all at first, and I will back to many project working. So this PLC today I will teach you step by step PLC codes. So everyone learn PLC full codes. Do you want to PLC course, then you can see the videos step by step. So we are starting today's video.